Welcome to the last video of 2025, and first of all, happy new year guys to everyone, and thanks for watching. I know I didn't do that many videos this year, but I'm hoping to make more videos going forward and especially into 2026. And first of all, thanks for watching. Second of all, let's get into quickly what has happened. I mean, we know that Bitcoin is not that interesting at the moment, and the search rankings for Bitcoin in general on Google Trends, for example, are really at the low right now. And even though we're not fully in a bear market, the search volumes are very low. So I want to tell you guys, congrats for actually being in the market, getting getting information and educating yourselves. And this really shows that you are trying to improve, and I think it will benefit in the coming year. Maybe not in the beginning, but towards the end of the year. It's good to be prepared now, to have the education, and then to be ready to make the moves when the time is right. And now looking at Bitcoin, what's happening right now I think is very similar to 2019. So we had the peak here, we had a peak, and then in June we started going down before COVID. So this is the COVID crash, and obviously we had a lot of quantitative easing in the markets. So the Fed, they started printing a lot of money, lowering the interest rates to stimulate the economy. And the same thing is most likely going to happen going into Q3, Q4 2026, right? As we are now starting to have more quantitative easing and lowering the interest rates, printing more money. And as this liquidity comes to the market, that's when I think we're going to start going up again with Bitcoin and with all the assets that we're investing into. But until then, I think we're going to slowly be bleeding out for Bitcoin, going down slowly until Q3, Q4 2026, as we're currently in a bear market. If we compare here Bitcoin's trajectory, so Bitcoin's price movement from compared to 2019, here we have the blue line is 2019 and the red line is right now. You can see it's very similar, and I think that we're gonna have a similar price action. We're just gonna slowly go down until the money starts coming in back in the markets, when the inflation goes higher again, the interest rates go down, and then I think when the liquidity comes back, and then the Bitcoin price I think will shoot up back once more. And if we look at Bitcoin, obviously in the shorter time frame, we know that right now we've been consolidating for pretty much the last few weeks. And let's just wait for this to load, if it does load. So we know that Bitcoin has gone down, is just consolidating in this pattern right here around 88,000. If we do break up above 91.8, around about this price, I think we can reach 200 simple moving average, which is around 106, 107,000. If we do not hold it from here, we are most likely going to go down and retest the lows here at around 75,000. But really it doesn't matter, because long term I think at least until quantitative easing comes in effect, we're going to slowly go down. And as for gold, we obviously reached the high, silver reached the high. I think they might cool down a bit coming up now. And like I said, main thing is congrats to you guys for being actually in the market right now, for educating yourselves. And I don't want to talk more, there's not much more to say actually, but other than happy new year guys, and hopefully we can join me on the journey for 2026. We're gonna educate ourselves in the markets and hopefully benefit from it. Thank you guys, see you tomorrow.